Okay, so get ready because today we are saying adios to winter and hola to Spain. We're taking a deep dive into Las Hermanas Spanish Sojourn 2025. It's a tour from Sisterhood Travels, and
Yeah.
I know you've been thinking about maybe joining this one.
I can see why.
Yeah.
16 days, 15 nights, all across Spain, hitting all the big spots. Madrid, Seville, Granada, even Barcelona, and then some time to relax on the Costa Brava.
Right, and the whole thing, it's women only, which I think
Cute
is
and cool.
I love that. It feels like a
Yeah.
really special way to experience it all.
So special.
So we'll get into all the details, but just to give you a little taste, there's a flamenco show, paella cooking class, walking tour of Girona. We're talking Gaudi, Sagrada Familia. There's so much
Oh, yeah.
packed in.
It's going to be.
Incredible.
So we start off in Madrid. It makes sense, right? Like you land in this vibrant capital city and it just sets the tone.
For sure. And they give you that first day to just kind of get your bearings, explore a little, and then there's that welcome dinner.
Ah, that's nice. Right.
Yeah.
Connect with all the other women on the trip. Have some amazing food. Just get ready for everything.
I love that. And speaking of amazing, the Prado Museum
Oh, yes.
is on the itinerary. Velasquez, Goya.
The masters.
I'm fascinated by Goya's black paintings. Have you seen those in person?
I have. They're even more incredible in person.
Wow.
Really haunting
Yeah.
and evocative. You know, Goya wasn't afraid to go there to the dark side of humanity, and it's all right there in those paintings, seeing them in the context of his life and the time he was living in. It's just powerful.
That's amazing. Okay, so then we've got a day trip to Toledo, former capital of Spain, UNESCO World Heritage Site. This place is just a crossroads of cultures, right? Christian, Jewish, Muslim, all woven together. So much history.
Absolutely. And you can see it everywhere in the buildings, the art. You'll get to see the Gothic cathedral. It's breathtaking, those arches, the stained glass. And then El Greco's The Burial of Count Orgaz.
Yeah.
In the Church of Santo Tome, his style is just so unique, a mix of Byzantine and Italian Renaissance, but with this Spanish mysticism woven in.
Fascinating. And then from there, we hop on the high-speed train to Cordoba, home of the Mesquite Cathedral, a mosque-turned cathedral. Talk about layers of history.
Right. You've got these incredible Islamic arches, and then all these Christian additions. It's just this amazing blend. It makes you think about all the shifts in power and faith over the centuries.
Absolutely. Okay, and from Cordoba, we head to Seville, and this is where the itinerary gets really cool because they give you choices. You can do a guided walking tour of the Santa Cruz Quarter, which is, it's just charming, or you can take a boat ride down the Guadalquivir River.
I love that. You know, every woman's different interests, different energy levels. So this way you can really tailor the experience, connect with the city in your own way.
Exactly. And either way, we're all having a tapas lunch at a traditional taberna, and then an authentic flamenco show.
That's a must. It's more than just a dance. It's a way of expressing the soul, raw emotion, telling stories through movement.
I love it.
Really connecting to Spanish history and culture.
Yeah.
It goes deep. Yeah. And from Seville, we're off to Granada. The city is all about history and romance. You're going to feel like you stepped back in time when you explore the Alhambra.
The last Moorish stronghold.
Yeah.
It's incredible just looking at pictures of it. It's like this palace that just emerges from the landscape.
Yeah, it's like it was always meant to be there.
It's not just a palace, though.
No, not at all.
It's art.
It really is. You've got these intricate carvings, peaceful courtyards.
Those views.
Oh, the views of the Sierra Nevada mountains. You can't beat it.
Stunning.
The Alhambra represents the height of Moorish art and architecture, Islamic design, European influences. They all came together to create something truly unique. It sparks your imagination.
Can only imagine.
And it really stays with you.
That's what I've heard. Okay, next up, Valencia.
Valencia.
Its city is all about old meets new. And I am so excited for the paella cooking demonstration.
Oh, me too.
And lunch in a traditional barraca.
Right.
Which is a fisherman's home.
Right.
I mean, how much more authentic can you get?
Right.
This is what I love about this trip. It's not just sightseeing.
No.
It's about really experiencing
immersing yourself.
Spanish culture.
Exactly.
And to do it with this group of women, it creates this amazing sense of connection.
There's something special about traveling with other women. It's supportive, empowering.
Absolutely.
You can step outside your comfort zone, try new things, and you've got this whole group cheering you on.
Love it. Okay, speaking of incredible experiences, we can't forget Barcelona.
Oh, Barcelona.
London, it just pulses with creativity.
It does.
So much energy.
Yeah.
And of course, Gaudi.
Of course.
We're talking Park Güell, Casabatlo,
Eh?
and the Sagrada Familia.
His work is like nothing else. He was inspired by nature. So you see all these organic forms, these whimsical details. It's like he's defying gravity.
Gaudi's a genius.
He really is. And the Sagrada Familia, his unfinished masterpiece.
I know.
It's a symbol of Barcelona, and it's still under construction. So you're actually seeing history being made.
That's so cool.
You're right. Gaudi was a genius.
Okay, after all that excitement in Barcelona, it's time to relax a little.
A little R&R.
On the Costa Brava.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous seaside hotel.
Stunning views.
I'm already picturing myself. On the beach, just soaking up the sun.
Yes. And they give you a whole day of leisure time, so you can really unwind.
Perfect.
Yeah.
But we're still going to get a little adventure in.
Of course.
There's a guided walking tour along the coast.
How's that?
Imagine exploring these charming villages, hidden coves.
That fresh sea air.
I can't wait.
Well,
And for those who want to tap into their surrealist side,
a little Dali.
we've got a visit to the Dali Theater Museum.
And figures.
His work is so playful, provocative.
It's like stepping into a dream
Exactly.
where anything is possible. I love that. It's the perfect way to end this journey. A journey that's all about embracing new experiences.
Expanding your horizons.
Yes. This trip, it's more than just a vacation.
I agree.
It's transformative. You're going to delve into the heart of Spain, connect with these incredible women.
And rediscover a sense of wonder.
Exactly.
I can picture it now, walking through those plazas,
Yeah.
sipping wine, eating tapas.
And laughing with your new friends.
This itinerary truly captures the essence of Spain. The passion, the history, the art, the food, the warmth of the people.
And it does it all in a way that empowers women
Yes.
to embrace their adventurous spirit, to create lasting memories.
It's a journey of self-discovery
Your connection.
and pure joy.
Pure joy.
At Sisterhood Travels, we're all about creating unforgettable journeys that inspire, empower, and connect women through the beauty of travel. We're dedicated to offering safe, culturally rich experiences that foster a community where exploration and empowerment go hand in hand. Our team is here for you Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. To stay updated on our latest trip releases and exciting news, be sure to visit our website at sisterhoodtravels.com. You can also join our vibrant Facebook community at facebook.com/women travelers, where you'll find a supportive group of fellow adventurers. If you need to reach us, feel free to call us at 910-742-5324 or send an email to info@sisterhoodtravels.com. We're here to help make your travel dreams come true.
Okay, so we're back. And, we've really been diving deep into this Las Hermanas Spanish Sojourn. The itinerary is just incredible. The cultural highlights and the fact that it's women only just adds this whole other layer of empowerment.
Absolutely.
But now let's talk about the practical stuff. What makes this trip such a good value?
Well, I think one of the things that really stands out is just how much is included.
Yeah.
You're getting 16 days, 15 nights in these beautiful hotels, 23 meals.
Wow.
And not just any meals. We're talking authentic Spanish cuisine. All your transportation within Spain, including high-speed train travel,
Nice.
guided tours with local experts,
Wow.
entrance fees to all the major attractions, even special events like the flamenco show and the paella cooking class.
They've thought of everything.
It seems like it.
So you can just focus on enjoying the experience.
Exactly.
No stressing about logistics or hidden costs.
And don't forget about the Sisterhood Travels group leaders.
Oh, right.
They're not just tour guides, they're experienced travelers who are passionate about Spain. And they're there to support you, answer your questions, create a real sense of community within the group.
It's like having a built-in group of friends from the moment you arrive.
Exacto.
Okay, so I know our listener is all about making informed decisions. Let's talk pricing. The itinerary mentions that international airfare isn't included. Any tips for finding good deals?
Well, flexibility is key. Maybe looking at different airlines or airports. You can often find some significant savings.
Okay, that makes sense.
And don't underestimate those travel search engines and fare aggregators. They can be really helpful for comparing prices.
Definitely. And once you've booked those flights, make sure you share your flight information with Sisterhood Travels.
Yeah.
So they can arrange those airport transfers.
Absolutely. And speaking of important details, don't forget to check your passport and visa requirements.
Right.
You'll need an ETIAS visa waiver for travel to Schengen area countries in 2025. It's an easy online application, but it's always best to do it early.
So you don't have any last-minute stress.
Exactly.
One more thing I wanted to mention. I really appreciate how this itinerary emphasizes cultural sensitivity and respect.
Yeah, me too.
They specifically mention dress codes at religious sites.
Like Seville Cathedral,
Right.
where you need to dress modestly.
I think it's important to be mindful of those local customs and traditions,
It shows respect.
and it ensures that everyone feels comfortable.
Exactly.
It's all about being a responsible traveler.
And embracing the opportunity to learn from different cultures.
Okay, so as we wrap up this Spanish adventure, I just want our listener to really imagine herself on this trip.
Close your eyes.
Picture yourself walking through those sunny plazas, savoring those delicious tapas,
Marveling at Gaudi's architecture.
and connecting with these amazing women from all walks of life.
This trip is more than just a vacation.
It really is.
It's an investment in yourself, in your personal growth, and in creating memories that will last a lifetime.
So if you're ready to embrace the magic of Spain, to step outside your comfort zone, and to experience the power of sisterhood,
Las Hermanas Spanish Sojourn is calling your name.
head over to the Sisterhood Travels website, explore the full itinerary,
And get ready to say hola to an unforgettable adventure.